As you can see, I'm very cold. I think the storm is getting worse. Let's go look at it. Gee whiz, that's a lot of snow. Wow, the snowstorm is getting pretty worse out there. It is already snowing in Windsor. And we live in London. Not fair. Look, heaven. It is snowing.
Where? Mommy. It is snowing.
Yes, dear. It is pretty much snowing. The snow has stopped. The car has crashed.
Okay, class. Today's snowstorm is on the way. Strong winds up to 100 kilometers per hour is possible. Make sure to stay inside. Goodbye, class. See you next week.
Gee,